Hi friends, welcome. So daily 7:30 we are Indian Standard Time in the evening hours we are coming online to explain you what are the videos or the blog posts, what are the new things we have added, and to answer your questions also. You can join us every day evening time, and will be right now we are focus is main on the AI tools, what how you'll use it in your day to day life, and how you can understand the complexity of it also. Now if you are not necessary to be a programmer, even if you are a marketer or a social media expert, anything, you can use AI tools for your improvement in production or your productivity and your creativity. It's a wonderful tool, so you must understand it. So that is what our key focus is. And plus addition to that, if you are a programmer using Python or any other language, you can also integrate in your apps all these AI tools. So one such application we have recently focused is on our, if you are a blog post you are producing regularly, or if you have a website, or you must know also for a client if you are working about the sitemap. Sitemap is Namaste Pratik. Sitemap is like a notice, or it's like a guidebook there about a township. All the road maps, all the important places are marked in a colony or in a township, where you can easily find out the quarter numbers and all. It's like that. So robots, you can easily try through using the sitemap, can navigate to different sections and all, and easily crawl your web blogs and web pages and all, and easily it will be indexed. So that is the main purpose of the sitemap. But when you are creating a sitemap, how you will create it automatically? Say you may ask, if I have a small site of 10, 12 pages or 15 pages, you can create a XML sitemap in a manually by adding one by one. But you have a large website, say, then you need to create sitemap by using a code. So you have to pick up the URL, modification date, all those things, and create in a XML format. So there are Python, it is quite easy to create those sitemaps and all, and using that subsequently, by using the sitemap, you can read the site also, create your own database tools to analyze your pages for the quality and search engine optimization issues and all. So that is how the sitemap became quite important. And for that purpose, I will give you two such blog posts which is quite useful to you. So you can use that in Python. So and we extract the data and create a SQLite database file. So we will store all those backend HTML codes in that SQLite database file and use that one. But when we have the information in a SQLite database file, you can use it in whatever way you want. Say I can read the title and all, I can read the content, I can create whether H1 title is there or not, whether Google tracking code is there, GA4 tracking code is there. Many things I can do it, because the entire as a mirror or the HTML part of the website, I have kept it in my local system. That is how actually I have worked on it, identified the thin content or the pages which I were not aware some pages have stopped working because of some changes in the backend programming and all. That's what I have we have identified it. Now let me just tell you those two blog posts or the two things. I will just give you the URLs there in the description. You can use that. Let's just go there. I will take you there. Let me just meanwhile see this. If it is ready, I will take you. Okay, let's just see. Yeah. So there are two parts of it. One part you will be reading it, another part is creating it. Here it is. You can see. Yeah. So this is the how to read sitemap XML using Python and extract URL for SEO analysis. This assumes that you already have a sitemap. Now before to that, you can see how you create one. We'll see that also. Now here it is, the settings as there. You can see the setting. We are storing it in a database. So SQLite database, authors.db, or whatever editor, whatever you want to give it the name. So here it is, the entire source code. It one by one loops through all the URLs or the addresses of the pages. Then you pulls the data and store it in a SQLite database. You can change it to MySQL also or any other database. Process remains same. So here reading a XML file and all. Now in the second part of it, or you can say this is the part one. First you can create a sitemap also. Browse through your directory. So imported database. Now you can create the database here. So browse through the directory one by one and in your local. But you must have a mirror site in your local system. Download it, or that's what I do, and keep it in my local system, and then here is the entire code. This code you can easily copy it to your system. Here it is, some modifications I have added, and here you can copy this code and use it, take it to your system and start using it. So this is how the all about the sitemaps what we have, and some video tutorials also will upload it. Coming back, friends, there are some tools are there which means you must be knowing by this time that some favorite tools are there for me. I use Notebook LM frequently. I will also highly recommend to use this Notebook LM if you are a student or doing a research work and all. So there was a 2 days back I have given I think Sunday afternoon I have uploaded on Notebook LM. New features are I have uploaded it. Some more new features are going to come up also in the report format that will come up. So how you can create a report, but those features are not released all over the world. So I am not giving you the details right now, but somewhat the audio overview, different formats, shorter, longer, critics, debate, those things are released. So you can watch that part, and that is what the video what I was uploaded is all about. Now once the new features comes up, once it is available to us, I will create that video and show it to you, so you can use that one. Flashcard, quiz, then the different types of reports and all is quite interesting, and you can use that one. So this I think mostly will be, hopefully this week will, once it is available this week will complete that. Let me just see if anything more is there. That is the idea, friends. So already 8 minutes over. No, nothing very much new things are there, but continue with this, and hopefully I will be able to upload few more videos, 1 or 2 in this week, and explain to you about the other aspects of it, sitemap, then how you will integrate in the AI tools in that, everything. Once you have this data in your local system about a page, you can use the AI to identify, suggest me the title, suggest update the H1, some H1 tag, update this paragraph and all you can, so you can content will improve. That is what is the main reason why we have downloading the HTML part of it into our system. One of the thing right now I am using is for the thin content, so I can identify based on the size of the HTML data, so I can find out which are the pages having less content and I must focus on that. So that is another aspect of it. So all these, friends, I just want to give you an introduction in this evening time. If you feel it that you have any idea or anything you want to discuss, feel free to ask and we will continue with that. And another thing is, you can suggest also whatever way we want to move it, and please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel also, and regularly 7:30 Indian Standard Time we are coming online to discuss with all these topics, whatever I have planned or what we are already uploaded, all these things I am sharing with you. You can feel free to ask me the questions here also. That's my idea, friends. So if no more things, then again we'll join tomorrow. So tell your friends also to join, so if they are, when they will be benefited by this discussion and all. Mostly Python, PHP, JavaScript, jQuery, web programming, integrating with the database, SQLite, MySQL, and many other things we discuss it during this time. And recently we finished a Tkinter, about the Tkinter, and a lot of GUI applications we have finished, and we have also gone, now we are focusing more on the AI tools. That's all, friends. Hope you will continue to join me in the evening hour, 7:30 Indian Standard Time. We are coming online and discussing. Hope you will join me tomorrow also. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.